Okay, it's April 17th, Sunday, 2 o'clock. Tomorrow I'll be taking this car into Bill Jacobs' BMW. This is a 2006 Z4 3.0 SI. It was in once before to have the lifters changed to try to get rid of this knock. But it didn't do anything, as you can tell. Just want you to read the VIN number here. It's 4 USBU 53596 LX01834, and take you inside the car. Mileage on the vehicle is 19,066 miles, and this is before I take it into Bill Jacobs' BMW to hopefully get the head replaced and have them get rid of this noise. Again, it's Sunday, April 17th. I'll be taking it in on the 18th, and just want to get this thing taken care of. And hopefully you can hear that and get this problem resolved. Again, there's the VIN number. And again, there's the mileage. It's embarrassing to drive at times, especially when you're trying to show it off to one of your buddies, and they say, "What's that knock?" Again, it's Sunday, April 17th, 2 o'clock in the afternoon.